Kinky and messy hair, or sometimes you call it bad hair day? Worry no more. Follicle Salon is here for you. A perfect salon na abot kayang hindi mabigat sa bulsa. Yung bet mong hairstyle, maa-achieve mo na.
Well, Follicle Salon is a beauty salon that cater hair and nail services. We provide deluxe service in a very affordable price. Our products are all branded, that mostly seen in the high-end salon. But in Follicle Salon, our price is very affordable compared to them. We have hair services. We offer reband, hair coloring, treatments, and foot spa and manicure pedicure. Siguro, modestly speaking, our edge with the other salon is the alagang follicles experience that our client enjoy and yearn every time they come with us. Our mission is to provide the personalized service and experience professionalism with our staff.
Dapat maramdaman ng lahat ng kliyente na sila ay VIP. Okay? Ang tawag namin sa kanila is best friend ng Follicle Salon.
O, diba? Di lang pala hair, kundi pati nail. One-stop salon, ika nga. Paglabas mo, gora na at i-flaunt ang beauty mo. But of course, every business has its own amazing, inspiring story.
We used to be OFWs. We were working abroad for 8 years in a cruise ship. Okay? That's where we met. During that time, we weren't sure on what kind of business. That's the dilemma of the OFWs. Everybody, all my fellow workers, they want to do business. It's just that they don't know what kind of business will suit them.
And of course, taking a risk it's not really easy. Sugal kasi ang negosyo, that's what they say. But it's a different story if you already have children. So that's the time when we had our first child, we really discerned what business to put up. Kasi ang pagiging OFW is hindi siya forever. So we took the risk. We put up our own business. So ito nga siya, Follicle Salon. In this way, we could stay with our kids, and at the same time, we can earn decently here in the Philippines.
Hindi lang pagpapaganda ang offer ni Follicles, bukas rin sila na magbigay ng kabuhayan at negosyo sa iba. Dahil ang Follicle Salon ngayon ay open for franchising na.
The first step in franchising Follicle Salon is first you have to have the passion and love for beauty. And then the next step is very easy. You'll just have to send us a letter of intent, and also you'll be filling up a questionnaire, and then we'll be scheduling you for a franchise presentation at the office.
Importante sa mga OFW na wag silang makontento sa kinikita nila abroad. Napakahirap kasi nung lagi kang hihiwalay sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. You just have to discern what business suits you.
I would say the ingredient to be successful, not just in business but in life, is for you to be an inspiration to a lot of people. Okay? You have to have the heart to help as much as you can.
Masarap at masayang magnegosyo kapag kapiling mo ang iyong pamilya. I'm Jade, your host, proud to be entrepreneur.
I'm May Hosenia.
I'm Malvin Hosenia.
Proud to be entrepreneur.
Proud to be entrepreneur.
This portion was brought to you by Follicle Salon.